There was a time the soldiers marched to fields where armies stood. No little child beneath the fire, no family stained in blood. If leaders choose to raise a sword, then soldiers face the fight. But why should homes become the graves of those with no part in the fight? A mother holds her baby close. The sky begins to burn. She does not know which flag will win. She only wants to return. An old man sits beside his door, too weak to run away. A little girl still holds her doll and wonders why they cannot stay. They never voted for the war, they never gave command. So why should innocent blood be spilled for battles over land? If two great armies want to fight, then give them open ground. Keep every home, every school, every child far from the battle sound. Take the war away from our children, take the bombs away from their beds. Let no mother search through the rubble, let no father count the dead. Make a law the whole world follows, civilians must be left alive. Let the armies meet far from the innocent, and when it ends, let peace survive. No more babies beneath the ruins, no more families forced to run. If you call yourself a warrior, then face the warrior, not someone's son. Choose an empty field between you, far from every village light. Army facing army only, if you truly choose to fight. No hospitals turned into shelters, no schools shaking through the night. No elderly begging for mercy, no children waking up in fright. And when that final battle ends, the nations must agree. The fighting stops, the guns fall silent, no endless enemy. What victory is worth? The body of a child. What border is worth? A mother losing everything. What flag becomes more beautiful when it is raised above a graveyard? If war cannot be stopped completely, then humanity must at least draw one line. The innocent are not the battlefield. Take the war away from our children, let them wake beneath peaceful skies. Let a mother hear her baby laughing, not a bomb before sunrise. Let the old grow old in safety, let the young have time to dream. Let the world make one agreement stronger than revenge has ever been.
Army against army,
Fighter against fighter,
far away from every home.
and when the battle finally finishes, put the weapons down and go home.
No more children in the crossfire,
No more innocent blood for pride. If humanity still means something, let the innocent live.
let the soldiers fight the soldiers,
But let the children live.
let the mothers live,
Let the fathers live.
let the elderly live.
Let the innocent live. And when the fighting ends, let peace